Spicing up your hello informal use of greetings. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating topic: how to use hello informally. Informal greetings are a big part of everyday English conversations, so let's unravel this topic together. Hello is a universal greeting that is suitable in nearly all situations, but did you know that you can use hello informally too? When we say informal, it refers to casual or friendly situations, often with friends, family, or people you know well. Learning to use hello in informal ways will add versatility to your English and make your conversations more natural. In informal English, we often use variations and alternatives of hello. Some common examples include 1. Hey, this is a very casual way of saying hello. It's often used among friends. 2. Hi, hi, is another informal way of saying hello. It's slightly more formal than hey, but still quite casual. 3. What's up? This is a more casual and friendly way to say hello. It can also be a way to ask how someone is doing. 4. Howdy. This is a very casual and somewhat region-specific way to say hello. It's commonly used in the southern United States. You can make hello more informal by adding on a person's name, a nickname, or even a term of endearment. Here are a few examples. 1. Hello, mate. Mate is an informal way in British English to refer to a friend. 2. Hello, dude. Dude is a casual term used primarily in American English, often between young people and friends. 3. Hello, love. Love is used in an affectionate and friendly way in certain regions like the UK. Remember, the tone of voice and context are essential when using these add-ons. And there you have it, folks. That's how you use hello informally in English. Remember, language is all about communication and building relationships, so don't be afraid to mix it up and use these variations when you're in a casual or friendly situation. It can help you sound more natural and make your conversations more lively. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.